Hi Divas, day number 8. My goodness, we're partway through this month already. Can you even believe it? Oh, amazing. I hope that you have checked out the links below. I'm giving free little items in with anything I sell on my Etsy shop. The link is below. I hope that you have been taking a time for breath, for it to slow down. If you want more ways to slow down and feed your spirit during these days leading up to our high holy days, check out drawingnearer.com. I'm going to put a link to that below, as well as the name across the bottom of the screen here. Check that out, and my other YouTube site, which is Drawing Nearer. Okay, and that link is in the box below. There are lots of ways where you can take a breath, enjoy the wonder of the season, in addition to advent calendars, and put a little holy in your days as well. All right, let's get to opening. Okay, I'm going to open the paper crafting one first. We're on day 8, Oct. Day 8. Ooh, here it is. Day 8. What is in this one? Oh, this is the paper crafting cabinet from Daphne's Diary from the UK. And it is a reusable cabinet, as you know. What is on here? Okay, well. Ooh. All right. They're like for your grocery list. You can write a list on them. Little list pads. 1, 2. Oh, there's angels. 3, 4. Holly. 5, 6. This looks like narcissus. 7. 8 for day 8. 8 list pads that you can make. Beautiful. The artwork is so gorgeous. So beautiful. Arteza, what do you have for us today? Arteza, what do you have for us on day 8? Ooh, it's a skinny one, all the way over here. Said I'm gonna booger this box up. Just am. Okay, again, okay. This one time the wrapping is, oh, metallic powder. Arteza metallic powder. It's in a gold. I'm not sure what to do with that. It probably has to do with the resin as well. I'll have to look on their site. I keep saying that, but I haven't had time yet. I will look on their site and find out what that's all about so that I can tell you what craft it's for, and I don't have to keep you guessing. So if you join me on a later date. By the way, is your birthday in December? What month is your birthday? Have you signed up for Wanda's Workbasket? If you sign up now, email me at wandasworkbasket.com and ask me to send you the form, a member's form. And basically the member's form just lets me know your address in case you win a prize during one of our lives, and your email addresses and that kind of thing. And sometimes I even send out Christmas cards and little gifts in the middle of the year, that kind of thing, on your birthday. It tells me your birthday, your birth month, only your month. That would be nice. Month and day. Yep, I know what this is. I'm glad they're coming as rollers now. they're coming for the back of your pen, so you can roll it over top of your canvases. It's a nice squishy roller like I got in the other kit, from the Deutschland one a couple days ago. It keeps them all flat, especially the budget ones that like to pop sometimes. So that's very convenient. Have it on the end of one of your pens. Now for the little goodies, here's Add More Zest. Let me bring you in a bit. Let's see what this one has. I apologize for the traffic outside. What is this? Oh, I was just thinking I needed another one of these. This is a tape measure with inches on one side and centimeters on the other, 150 on one side and 60 inches on this side. And then there's a button that automatically pulls it in. I was just measuring things from my Etsy site and to put more kits up online. And I thought, wouldn't it be great to have one of these automatic ones, because I lost the last one I had. This is awesome. Thank you. That's really special. All right. And we have a very thick box from Diamond Painting Deutschland. 8. Coasters. Coasters. I am so impressed with this kit, y'all. I am so impressed with Deutschland. Here we go. It's not a cheap kit, but boy, do they load it. I'm sure I would spend more on these separately. And it's all stuff I would use and appreciate. All right, if you haven't got a coaster kit before, you get a coaster holder. You get squares of either wood, and sometimes you get cork to put on the bottom of them, and they all have a theme. This one looks like an islands theme. Let me see. Yeah, like a Caribbean island theme. And they put together in a certain way, almost like a puzzle. Let me see. All right, we have some trees here. We have there. We have that one. We have another tree here somewhere. Oops, nope. It goes this way and then this way. There we go. This one I think is here. Yeah, I have the the box to help me figure that out there. There we go. This looks good. This looks good so far. Then we have the little ones here. Right? The little ones here. Yeah, they're kind of like on the side, kind of like slanted in. And then there. Kind of like a puzzle, but aren't they beautiful colors? The blues and the pinks and the yellows, some purples in there. Very pretty. And these are regular round diamonds. Yep, regular round drills. Very nice. You are knocking it out of the park, Diamond Painting Deutschland. Out of the park. Here we go. All right, so today, these are our goodies from today's pack. I thank the manufacturers of these Advent kits for giving us a little bit more joy in our holidays, a little bit of wonder to open up every single day. Isn't that awesome? All right, guys, divas. All right, divas, I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to click like and subscribe on your way out. Bye.